We start with the crochet cast on. Link to the full tutorial is in the description below. So make a slip knot with your crochet hook and place the needle on the yarn. So actually you bring the yarn around the needle and you grab it with your crochet hook, and that's how you make a stitch. You keep repeating the same until you have the amount of stitches you need. So under and around the needle and grabbing with your crochet hook. Then you make a few extra chain stitches. Cut the yarn. We do this with scrap yarn. And now we do the tubular cast on for 2x2 rib. So we take our yarn that we are going to knit with. And you knit one, yarn over, and knit one, yarn over, and repeat until the end of the row. So knit one, yarn over, and so on. Now we divide the stitches on 2 circular needles. See to it that the stitches aren't twisted and that you keep the last yarn over. You can always yarn over again, just do not forget that yarn over. It has to be on the needle. So the front needle is with the first stitches you've made, and the last ones are in the back, so you can make this into a round. And before commencing, again check that you have that yarn over. If you don't, just do as I do here. Bring the yarn over the cable in this case and under the front needle. In the first round, you knit one, yarn in front and slip one purlwise, and repeat. Knit one, yarn in front, slip one, yarn to the back, knit one, yarn to the front, slip one, and do that all around, so for the 2 needles, but I'll be showing you how I continue when I'm at the end of this needle. So here I'm at the end of the first needle, the front needle. It's actually quite easy, just see to it that the stitches aren't twisted. And continue in the same way. So knit one, yarn in front, slip one, yarn to the back, and continue. Now for round 2. If you get confused, you can always put a stitch marker in the first stitch. So for round 2, you slip the first stitch with yarn in the back, yarn in front, and purl a stitch. Yarn to the back, slip, yarn in front, purl. And that's the repeat for round 2. You do that all around, so for the front needle and then for the back needle, that's 1 round. Round 3 is the same as round 1. Knit one, yarn in front, slip one purlwise, knit one, yarn in front, yarn to the back after the slip, and you repeat this all around. Round 4 is as round 2, so slip the first stitch, purl the second one, slip, purl, and again do that all around. So the front needle and then the back needle, that's a round. Now we commence the rib 2 by 2. This means knit 2, purl 2. In order to do that, we knit the first one and then we switch the next stitches. You can do this the way is easiest for you. And then you knit another one and purl 2 stitches and repeat the same. Knit 1, switch the stitches, so you can knit the next one and then purl 2. I'm showing you a few times. So you continue to switch the second and the third stitch. So the knit stitches are together and the purl stitches are together. You do that all around. And now it's ready to continue in the rib. Oh yes, when you get to the end of the needle, you need to switch with a stitch from the second needle. So you do as I do here, just put that last stitch on the needle, on the back needle actually. Then switch those stitches, knit the first stitch and put that one back on the front needle. And then you continue. So purl 2, knit 1, switch, knit another one, purl 2 and continue until you finished your round. And you just begin knit 2, purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2 and repeat that. No need to switch any stitches. Now in this round you can take out the crochet cast on. I'll show you here how to do this. Just undo the knot and then pull through. Just keep pulling. And when you've finished, when you've pulled all the way through, you can pull the tail out. I'm just doing a small piece here so you can see it. So now you pull the tail from the other side. And there you go. This cast on is finished and it looks like you have no edge. Hope you like this and let me know if you have any questions. You can find me on social media. Here's my card. Thank you for watching.